Has this ever happened to you? You go outside, you try to start your car, and it just won't start. Or maybe it just clicks. I mean, I'm driving a manual here, as you can hear, but if I turn the key, it's just not doing anything. In this video, I'm going to replace the battery to this 2001 Volkswagen Beetle. It may seem intimidating to do because there are a few extra steps compared to other cars. You do have to remove a few things and push other stuff aside that you'll see later on in the video, but it's not at all intimidating if you have a 10mm socket wrench like this one. And overall, I mean, it's a really simple process that, well, you can do pretty much anywhere. Now, though this is a manual, I'm not going anywhere anytime soon. So do me a favor and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Check out my channel content for more. I'm going to start by popping the hood, pull the tab, and lift. There we go. This car has the 2.0 in it, using a 10mm socket, ratchet, and extension. Remove this 10mm right here, holding the power steering reservoir in place. There we go. Now this moves and lifts out of the way. Typically there would be a battery in this car. There is not one in this car at the moment, so this rule still applies with a car with a battery. Remove this 10mm bolt. On some Volkswagen Beetle models, there's a hold down. Mine has the slot for the hold down, but my car does not have the hold down. So just be sure to remove that hold down that's holding the battery completely before removing the battery. Okay, now that that's free, you can lift this up. And there's little clips that this hangs onto, one on this side, one over here. You want to pull up on this side and pull out this way. And this can slide right out. As you can see, there's little markings on each side. There we go. Yep. If there was another battery installed before, you would want to loosen these two 10mm nuts holding the battery cables into place. Mine does not have a battery in it right now, so unfortunately I do not have to unscrew these, but that's what you would do. Then you would slide the battery out, and then for me, I'm going to slide the new battery in. Just like this. Grabbing those contacts, the leads, just sliding it in just like that. Remove the caps. Install the positive. Going to install the negative. Tighten those two battery terminals down with a 10mm socket and ratchet. Just like that. Now I'm going to reinstall the cover, making sure that it sits inside the channel on each one, on each side. So you just slide it back in, just like so. And on the back side, there's a little grommet you can see. It's hard to see because it's way back there, but you'll feel it. You'll feel it lock into place, just like this. You'll feel it. Same for the back side. You'll hear it, just like that. And we're good there. Going to take the 10mm bolt with the socket and ratchet and drop it in. Maybe just a quarter turn. Now take the power steering reservoir. You're going to want to line up the holes. Take this 10mm here, and it all locks kind of in place. You'll hear it all like lock in place like that. Slide the 10mm bolt back in. Tighten it down. You don't want to crank down super hard on that bolt. Just like this. Going to realign the cap to this battery tray that's already falling apart and just lock it down. If you don't know how to open it up, open, close, open, close. There we go. Installation complete. Now we can try it out.
Now mind you, this car's been sitting for the last 9 months untouched, so it's definitely needs some TLC. I'm putting a new timing belt in this one, and I'm going to be putting a new other parts in here. What's left to do is just clean up. Close the hood. Just like that.
Are we ready yet to go on that road trip? Well, now that the battery is replaced, we are ready to go on that road trip, and the car runs as you saw before. Well, now that we've validated that the battery is good and the car goes, well, that's a job well done, I would say. As normal, hopefully this helps, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Check out my channel content for more, and hey, have fun with cars. There's so much fun to do. I mean, you can wreck them, but somebody else will always be able to fix it, in most cases involving money and all that other stuff. But that's a whole tangent I don't want to go on. Hey, what's this lever do? Oh, you shifted it! You shifted it!